Long Termas Council pen Bangkre Troxy Pan Kapre ka Borda Maipu ke बाद Hamren Harlong Juve Sarbang Ner ke Balang Tengalong Okapar Hika Chapate Kapa Doje Pan Pai Kuni Kre Porni Kapati Mahamaya constituency kapar lorong Khelan Timunga Rongalong Wisunim Sote Ranga Hem PNRD pen Kikim Keranga Hem Kangpu Kardom ada birta thanbang nili Sami Monica Milikpi nom birtang tonpen arjuitha Derpadi krima phi Karbi Anglong Termas Council pen Bangkre Troxy Pan Kapre Borda Maipu ke bada birta katni salong nampale Card News along Birta Nangeli at Tenke Borda Maipu pen Arpukelong Tumlake MSC Dorsing Ronghang Land Settlement Advisory Board MSC Richard Tokbi Forest Development Board MSC Mukut Mahanta Water Resource Irrigation Board MSC Sima Ronghangpi Women's Commission Richardson Hanse Border Development Board Ditolal Hasnu Veterinary Livestock Dairy Development Board Silpi Sikha Chirang Tourism Development Board Penpiga Ringma Sports and Youth Welfare Board Vidya Singh Teron Medical Advisory Board Chris Rongpar PWD Ronjit Teron Soil Conservation Board Mansing Teron Karbi Custom Reformation Board Johnny Timu Jinfed Board Rensing Ronghang PhD Board Sarsoti So Block Development Board Longsing Teron Karbi Language Development Board Lapen Kangjang Terang Panchayat Lapen Rural Development Board Henlo Harlong Juve Angling Trust Lapen Jayantia Angler Group pen Phaikuni Kre Por ni Hamren Harlong Juve Sarbang Nerkep Alang Teng along Okapar Hika Chapate ki BJ Aphan Sigdang Pon Bom Lo Pusi Hamren Rong Supi pen Hilton Pherangke Hundor Krok Kat News along Birtang Pali West Karbi Anglong Hamren Harlong Juve Sarbang Nerkep Alang Teng long Phaikuni Kre Por ni Okapar Hi Chapate Doji Okapar Hika Chapate ke Hai ke Chengsia Nong Ekelong Bang Pho Phan Sika Suri Phokep Adun Thua Nong Ekelong Bang Pho Phan Sika Suri Inkoi Lapen ke Thomang Deng Kelong Bang Pho Phan Sika Suri Kep Bajir Ponji Lapenan Parta Bangkre Pho Bang Putina Phanta Sika Suri CC ki PJ Alam Sonju Beben Pachetang
Kasi Harlong Juve Rong Saramai Lapen dak Harlong Juve Angling Trust Organization Lapen Jentia Angling Group Atumphan itu ma Harlong Juve Rong Saramai pen suri akadong pa julon nitum labangso Fishing competition na bangke nitum non ke bangi tarik re phor ni nitum bipon po asila son dakta ko puthot nitum kiniladak Harlong Juve Rong Saramai pen chenglok lapen dak Harlong Juve Angling Trust Organization pen Jentia Angling Group son chelang siniltum along kapre kadim stamiltum biponji pen jongjung apukuri pusita mani do pulote nitum hala dak stamilitum na son thot kachepate ki biponji phan nitum chisik pon lo pen jong si do pulote nitum labang so Angling Trust Organization Harlong Juve so a group atum phan nang contact nang po pen hala so along bang si nitum biponji pen
Kachapate Aphan Pura Lin Paruhini Langoke The Langteng along Lopon Tanglo Okapar Hiarong Arje along Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong Dimha South Lapen Meghalaya Jayantia Hill District pen ta Kachapate along Kachetoje Aphan Tirikama Mai pen Chuningli Number 15 Mahamaya constituency kapar lorong Khelan Timunga Rong Risunim Sote Ranga Hem along Phaikuni ni Phai Troxia ni ada por Phai Kresia por Malong pen PNRD Sai Hempen Kikimpon Open Stage Hem Kimi Kampu Pon Amai Pangnipon Labang Somai long alhisar po Manpen Karbi Anglong Termas Council EM Lunsing Teron Manpeng alhiya Manpen VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi DTC Chairman Biren Singh Teron BJP State Councillor Komula Teron P Lapen VDC Member Lawrence Rongpi atum Chetong Dunpen Open Stage Kangpu Amai Pi along RDP Dunrinti Open Stage ahem kimi Man ke do Karbi Anglong Termas Council EM Lunsing Teron ari deng pensi in pupi ponlo la soho risoe jang to phan ning kaparung mate pirthe lokachari donangji Lapen theknangji bolam the pen ajok kebang deng kachari risoe jang to phan ake joy pen LST free coaching Pomen B pen Chiklojon Thom Loket Hansai Kapabi Ponjia Phan Lamchak Chipitekang
La solo got nilitum pia karona nang sirabile dei na sinalitum lempon bombo dam bombo nilitunge partia hin pen bangke aporo hot election aporo te vote kinang johang bompo nalitum ka nilitum ke claim kinda malogot mesen blood nang sirabun bombo non jitu nalitum phan dingang sampelin nang sirabun bombo sanalitum nang sirabun bombo la bangana chuni ri tekango la pen anglu isia message padana je ka tu ita pachirok tok na homosti alo along tinta risoi jang tun pini amu kadin mate rana long tiklem ke dang ke sen asila solo go aru orna pidum tang tung bangana hello nanglik tum le cheng kon la dak pen non ke bang ji matric exam dui February la dak la ma hawar ang kuma mama matric ki pijun dia sumar dub lang tanang to list kale ngoi la pen cheng kon na free coaching center amator nanglik tum ri no
non mulop so por phan birta moin to paisna
A huge Deepavali Dhamaka offer on electronic appliances. So complete your home with electronic with the best technology. Come and grab with the best offer on LED TV 24-inch with the best price of only rupees 5,000 with 1 year warranty. 32-inch of rupees 7,300 only. Android Smart TV of 40-inch, 45-inch and 55-inch at the lowest price. On special offer in inverter battery, luminous and inverter battery with solar. Iron and steel bed with an affordable price. For more details, kindly contact 8812053818, 936563282 or 8638198316. Cedar Electronic Shop located at Bokulia Difu Road, 782482, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Wang tha wang ik tha electronic ahormu nang litum ador kijum hek pen longpon ikji lase apor pacheton dun pen warsai kemi chu endun iksana nang litum longpon ikji lake fridge long aprin LG Samsung Sony Whirlpool Haier TV long aprin dolake LG Samsung BPL Akai washing machine aprin lake Samsung LG Haier lapen ke du thulang plastic chair table steel lapen plywood furniture lapen ke solar inverter da longpon ikji lasinang litum nahumri ignon Asok Prasad Chaudhary Bokulia Electronic and Electrical Akulat Bokulia Main Market Karbi Anglong Assam.
Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben warsai kemi kipipon lasila sonobor sai kemi along ninghangatum ali chuan dunik tha warsai kemi laki chiklu jontro kophan kapamala seke piponji lasi apor panhok he pin pen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along patebok damiknon rong parpi rong berot near Iron Bridge Difu Karbi Anglong lasi lan so seka chini le thojia phan laswa number 6001213664 along humriknon.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731. 93652070012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Claret Beauty Salon Unisex is opening its door for 6-month crash course on beautician and cut. Interested person may kindly come and contact Claret Beauty Salon Unisex near Iron Bridge, Rongporbi, Rongbi Road, Dipu, Korbi Anglong. Document requirements are recent photograph, voter ID and caste certificate. Dihinamo Pipurot Birta along Wang Twiglong. West Korbi Anglong Amri MAC constituency Kaparlo Umswai Karlua Duke Kek Naya Long Ihum Chekar John Kepona Trak Towarang Bongalong Chaparle Paga Birta Perang Kepen Birtang Pali. West Korbi Anglong Amri constituency Umswai Leji Dog Dog Duke Kek Naya Long AS 247570 Chaparle Pag Birta Kelong Duna Tenke Trak Kate Barabang Aduke Kek Naya Long Kaparting Une Deda Jok Towar Piang Bongalong Ama Chaparle Pag Tusi Birta Long Dun Labang suka cingko along a hiring tangrak pen aring hukeso bang abelang puta birta long duntu. Surihini Crazy Kebaninkan Baha 12 Casa Club Football Championship Men's Paikuni ni Pai Troxia ni aduntu kapatuar ni mesen pen kapadopon. Surihini Crazy Kebaninkan Baha 12 Casa Club Football Championship Men Hanjang Langso Sports Association Pepatir Piponsi Marjong FC Chukiola Pen Kathalguri Prince FC Angbong Chapate Ponsi Prince Club Kathalguri 80 Matum 0-2 Goal Pen Chapahai Pon Bangso Football Kapatuka Chapate along a Barim Caribbean Law Thermas Council Board Chairman Kadom Tedangpi Caribbean Law Thermas Council EM Barim Mate Hanjang Langso Sports Association Maipu Jiwan Chandra Patha Katum Aluhia Man Pen Chetongdun Ada Birta Bangkela Ponsi Kanton Pengla Dometak Me Kurwang Thu